So, Bill, a question that we often get through our show email is about dealing with a problem with your neighbor. Everybody has had it. If you say that you've not, then you may not be telling the truth.
Yep.
So, whether it's that they have junk in their yard or trees or plants that are beginning to bend into your yard, it can cause problems. Even loud dogs that bark at night. We had to get rid of a dog whenever I was a little girl, the beagle, because it barked all night. And anyway, what do you do in these sort of situations? Do you have to do what we did? Now, our neighbor, he he took out wisdom teeth. He was a doctor, and he said he had to have a rest. But I mean, do people have to go to those extremes like we did?
Well, it depends on the situation, and hopefully my neighbor's not watching, because he complains to me and my wife every now and then about our dogs in the backyard. If we leave the house for an hour or two, they may start barking in the back, and so we try to be very aware of that. And so when we're at home, they don't bark. When we're not there, apparently they like to bark.
You make sure you feed them before you leave.
That's right. But if you have a problem with a neighbor, well, first of all, you got to know where you live. As far as if you live in the city, do you live in the county? Because different ordinances and laws can dictate what you can and cannot do. But you see the graphic there. First thing is to document the problem, and whether it, like if it's dogs barking, take a video of it, or if there's tree limbs that are about to fall, take pictures and videos of that. First of all, try to talk it out, work it out with them. You don't need to get the lawyers involved just yet, or call the cops or anything like that, because that's going to escalate the situation. Try to talk it out first, and then, like I said earlier, know your neighborhood, city, county laws and all that. And then if everything goes to heck in a handbasket, then you need to talk to a lawyer.